Wildfire amidst high winds promote evacuation shut down highway. One near California Big Soup. A wildfire that broken about high wind but in the speak the rain sensor in California. Big Sur area Friday night forced people from the home and shut down a potential of the icon oceanside highway. An evaluation order was by Monterey County Emergency Service at 9 p.m. 54 area in the fire path. The American Red Cross opened a shelter at the Carmel Medium School. Local medium reporter said the fire had at the latest two sequence millions. Advisory has been issued in the Bay Area for the Friday night and remained in just on social media suggestions some parties real fire behaviors given that what and December.